Hello, I'm going to show you how to use Visual Studio Code to create a new website. I'm going to start in Windows Explorer. This is the yellow file folder at the bottom of the screen. You can get here a variety of ways. I have created a blank folder for my lectures. It's in my OneDrive folder called Lectures. I suggest putting it in OneDrive folder or a Google Drive folder. That way your file is automatically synced with the cloud and you're less likely to lose it. Each HTML project you build needs its own folder. So I'm going to create a new folder and give it a good name. The name should reflect the name of the project. So assignment 1 is probably bad, whereas the movie website is better. So I've got a folder here. Inside of this folder, we're going to create other stuff as we go forward, but for now I'm keeping it simple. Now I'm going to go to Visual Studio Code, and your screen will look something like mine when you start in. My file, I'm going to open folder. I browse to my folder I'm in OneDrive Lectures. Here's the folder I just created. I select it. In a moment over here, this is what's in that folder, and this is all ability to expand and collapse as you need. Microsoft calls these flippy triangles. I'm going to file, new file. It's blank. I'm going to file save as. It wants a name, and the name we'll give it is index.html. Name of all the first pages in your websites will be index.html. Hit save, and then write some HTML here. All right, so save it. Mine automatically beautifies. I have an extension installed that does that. It'll look something to this effect. If you don't like your colors or your theme in Visual Studio Code, you can change that. Now to run this thing, there are a variety of ways. The one that will always work, so come back to here, open it up, there's your file, and double click it. And there it is. So, in a nutshell, to create a new project in Visual Studio Code for HTML is 1, you create the folder for it. 2, in Visual Studio Code, you open that folder. And 3, you create your first file for index.html.